Hello everyone and welcome to a fresh new episode of Mr. Gadgetician, where every viewer is a gadgetician and I talk about gadgets and all things related to gadgets on your behalf. So today we will be talking about an app by which you can easily organize all your messages and it can easily replace your default messaging app. And this app is very useful and this app is published by a trusted publisher which is Microsoft. So without wasting much time, let's just get into it. Let's go. So let's see what is the app. Just open Play Store and search here SMS Organizer. Then click the first app that appears here. You can see the icon from here. If this kind of icon appears on your search result also, you have to click here, and after clicking there the main app which is SMS Organizer is opened, and you can see that the SMS Organizer app is published by Microsoft Corporation. Yes, the trusted Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft has launched several Android apps that help so much in everyday life. This app is one of them. So this app can, I believe this app can replace your default SMS app or whatever messaging app you are using. I think SMS Organizer is the app which has the capability for arranging your messages in one place and arranging it properly. So without wasting much time, let's just install it. So now you can see the app has been installed. So you have to just open it, and when you open it you have to select a language of your choice. So I will select English and click next, and here it says some privacy policy and terms and conditions. You have to agree with that. So I will click continue, and now it needs some permissions. So allow SMS Organizer to access your contacts. You have to allow it. Then it says allow SMS Organizer to make and manage phone calls. You have to allow this also. Then it says the allow SMS Organizer to send and view SMS, and lastly allow SMS Organizer to access your photos, media and files on your device. So you have to allow it also. So now you have to input your phone number to firstly register to SMS Organizer app. After entering your phone number, it sends an OTP to your phone, and it directly recognizes the OTP and enters to the next step. And in the next step you have to be connected to internet. If you previously installed this app with a specific account, the backup has been stored to this account, and from that account your all data will be synced if you again install this app. So now just get started, and here you can see they have already divided my SMS. So 109 personal SMS, 21 transactions and 16 promotions. So let's just get started. So here appears if someone sends you a personal SMS or you send someone a personal SMS. So all those SMSs will be shown in this portion. Then it has a reminder portion. Just go to it, and you have to set a reminder. So if you set a upcoming reminder, and it will remind you on that specific time. Then it has an option of accounts. Here you can set your cards and also your bank account and view those balance directly from here if you receive bank SMSs from those account. And let's just go to messages, and here you can see the transactions. If your bank sends you messages and if you transact with your bank and you receive SMSs, all those transactions and other transactions, if you purchase from online or anywhere, those transactions will be stored here. Then it has promotion. So basically every mobile operator sends you promotional messages to recharge with specific amount of money with best offers. All those promotions are stored here, and here is the starred message. If you want to star a message, or if you want to store them here, you have to just go to the message and click on the star icon, and it will be stored here, and you can have a quick glance just by clicking the start message here. So basically SMS Organizer is an app which arranges all your messages properly, and it gives you a clean and organized feel to your messaging app. It really helpful, and I am using this app for quite some time now, and I am really enjoying it. I have already set this messaging app as my default messaging app. You should also give a try to this app SMS Organizer. I think it will be helpful, and it will also organize your SMSs properly, and it will show you correct information. You just saw the app SMS Organizer and how to use it on your mobile, and it is a very useful app if you want your SMS to be organized in a proper way, and if you want to categorize your SMSs to find it easily when you search for them. So that's it for now. It's time I bid you adieu. See you in my next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and always be happy.